The New England Patriots have a bye week in Wild Card weekend, but Pats fans will closely be paying attention to see if their team will be playing the Chiefs, Titans, or Bills in the divisional round. So, who will be the best matchup? That would likely be the Bills. The Patriots already beat Buffalo twice this season and didn't allow an offensive touchdown in either game. Tom Brady has never lost to Buffalo at home when he started and finished a game. The Titans would be the next favorable matchup for New England. Marcus Mariota has regressed this season, throwing more interceptions than touchdowns. And while Tennessee has a solid defense, they've struggled this year against top quarterbacks, including Russell Wilson, Ben Roethlisberger, and Jared Goff. And finally, the Chiefs. New England beat Kansas City in the divisional round 2 years ago, but the Chiefs ran all over the Patriots in Week 1 this season. KC has the second best turnover differential in the NFL, and their defense held opposing QBs to just a 57% completion percentage this year.